On January 30th, 1835, an unemployed house painter named Richard Lawrence made the first known attempt to assassinate a sitting U.S. president. As President Andrew Jackson was leaving a congressional funeral at the U.S. Capitol, Lawrence stepped out from behind a pillar and fired a pistol at the president's back. However, the gun misfired, and Jackson turned to see Lawrence pull out a second pistol. Again, the gun failed to discharge properly. Despite his advanced age and poor health, the 67-year-old Jackson charged at Lawrence, attempting to beat him with his cane. Bystanders, including Congressman Davy Crockett, quickly subdued the would-be assassin. Lawrence, who was found to be mentally unstable, believed he was the rightful king of England and that Jackson was preventing him from claiming his throne. At his trial, he was found not guilty by reason of insanity and spent the rest of his life in asylums. The failed assassination attempt highlighted the bitter political climate of the era, with Jackson's opponents, the Whigs, initially suspected of being involved in a conspiracy. However, no evidence was found to support these claims. The incident also demonstrated Jackson's resilience and fighting spirit, despite his poor health. He survived the attack and went on to serve the remainder of his second term as president.